Step number 1, visit.com. Step number 2, copy any question you want to answer and head over to ChatGPT to get the question answered within seconds. Step number 3, copy and paste the answer ChatGPT has provided you and insert your affiliate link. Step number 4, repeat the process and answer many questions using ChatGPT, and just that way you will earn commissions on autopilot. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple trick that no one is talking about on using Quora.com to make passive income just by answering questions. After applying this trick that I'm about to show you step by step just by answering questions, you will start making passive income while you sleep. Don't worry, you are not going to answer those questions by yourself. Everything is just going to be copy and paste and watch ChatGPT do the hard work for you. I'll explain the entire process to you step by step, so make sure to watch till the end. But please remember that every online business requires time and effort to start seeing results. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. The method requires 3 different websites. The first is Quora.com, which is the biggest question and answer social website. It gives you answers about any topic, and it also allows you to answer others' questions. And this is what we're going to do. The second website we need is ClickBank. If you don't know, ClickBank is one of the biggest affiliate marketplaces online, with thousands of affiliate offers in different niches you can promote. But if ClickBank is not available in your country, you can use an alternative website like Digistore24. And the last website you need is of course the one and only ChatGPT. With the help of those 3 websites combined, you can start making passive income. Now let me show you how this method works in detail. Again, remember, what I'm about to show you is different from what you've been seeing from other YouTubers, so make sure to watch till the end to know the secret about getting instant traffic to your answers on Quora and start seeing instant results. So the first step you need to do is head over to Quora.com and create your free account. As you can see, it's very simple. You can sign up with your email or Facebook. Once you are logged in, this is how your dashboard will look like. After logging in for the first time, make sure to set up your profile by adding a profile picture and some details about you. And if you click here, you can change or add a new language. But all of that is not really necessary because this search bar up here is what we need. So our main goal on Quora is to find problems we can solve using ChatGPT and ClickBank. ChatGPT will give us detailed answers to people's questions about a specific problem. And ClickBank will provide us with products we can promote to get commissions. Now there are many problems you can start solving to make profits, but I suggest that you focus on 3 categories. Number 1, health. Number 2, wealth. And number 3, relationships. These 3 categories are the best if you're looking for quick results. But of course, there are still lots of other topics out there that you can try. For example, you can pick weight loss or stress relief, which means you're in the health category, or how to make money online, which will be in the wealth category, and so on. For this video, let's use weight loss, so we can start by typing weight loss here in the search. And as you can see here, you will get endless results. All these questions are related to the topic we have chosen. And here on the left-hand side, we have some filters. I want you to sort the type by questions, and set the time to the past hour or day. By applying these filters, you won't have as many competitors as if you're trying to answer questions that have been posted a while ago. As you can see, now we have all recently posted questions about weight loss. But before I choose a question and provide solution to it, I'm going to first sort by past year and show you something. Now, using this question as an example, it has received 106 answers in the past year, meaning this particular question is getting a lot of views. So that means that if we provide an answer to this question and manage to have it ranked at the top among all the answers, then we can expect to get a whole bunch of views. And getting lots of views to your answer means more money we're going to make. So keep watching as I will share a strategy for achieving top ranking results with your answer. So I will just click on answer to begin answering the question. But if we just answer the question and insert our affiliate link, Quora is going to kick us out from their platform, which sounds frustrating. I know you're wondering, how do we go about this to be able to insert our affiliate links into the answers without getting our account banned on Quora? Well, there is a solution to that, and the only solution to that is to create a space on Quora and answer the questions in your space. That way, we are not going to have any issue with Quora, and we can insert our affiliate links in our answers. For those of you who don't know what a space means on Quora, It's more like you've rented an apartment on Quora. So you own it, and you can do whatever you want within your space. So let's create a space. Well, I'm going to name my space The Healthy Guide and click Create. And now this is my space. Fast forward. Let me do some magic. Interesting. My space is looking nice, so make sure you add a banner and a cover photo to your space to look more appealing. Well, you can use fake image for your profile because nobody cares. Now let's go back to Quora and look for questions to answer in our space. Again, let's use weight loss. So we can start by typing weight loss here in the search. And as you can see here, all these questions are related to the topic we have chosen. And here on the left-hand side, we have some filters. I want you to sort the type by questions and set the time to the past hour or day. By applying these filters, you won't have as many competitors as if you're trying to answer questions that have been posted a while ago. I'm going to choose this one to start with, which says, can being overweight prevent weight loss? Now to answer this question in your space, all you have to do is to open the question in a new tab. Click on the request and search for the name of your space. Mine is going to be The Healthy Guide. And there you have it. If your space doesn't show on top after searching for it, just scroll down and look for it. Next, just click on your space to add the question to your space. You just scroll down and look for more questions on Quora and add them to your space using the same method I just showed you. Now I have 2 questions added to my space, so let's head back to my space and answer them. And there you have it. So now we can begin answering these questions and insert our affiliate links without getting banned from Quora. All you need to do is copy the question and go to ChatGPT to start a conversation. And to get high-quality answers, I gave the chatbot this command, and at the end, I asked the chatbot to split the answer into different sections and summarize it with bullet points at the end. That way, you can stand out with your answers. Once your answer is generated, you can copy it and head back to Quora. Here, click on Answer and paste the text generated from ChatGPT. And just to make it easier to read and look better, you can bold the main points. Once you finish, don't post it immediately because we still have one more important step to cover, which is finding a product to promote. All you need to do is head over to clickbank.com and sign up for a free account. Once you are in, head over to the affiliate marketplace and look for a product to promote. I'm targeting weight loss, and weight loss is under health and fitness. On the left-hand side of the marketplace, you will have the product categories. What we need to do now is find a product related to the question we are answering. So in my case, I will choose any of these weight loss offers. I've decided to choose this weight loss offer, which pay you $139 per sale. Meaning, if I get 100 people to purchase this product through my affiliate link on Quora, I'm going to make $13,900 in commission. Next, you just click Promote. Enter your account nickname and generate your affiliate link. Now copy your affiliate link and head back to Quora. All we need to do now is add the affiliate link to the answer. And there are many ways to do that, but I'll show you my favorite. For example, you can add a new section to your answer by typing personal recommendation, followed by a clickbait to attract more clicks. So simply highlight the keyword and insert your affiliate link. Well, even though I stated earlier that you have the edge to paste our affiliate links when answering questions within our own space without any account suspension by Quora, but as an experienced affiliate marketer, it's always advisable to create a simple landing page and insert our affiliate link. Well, you can go ahead and paste your affiliate link, but I prefer building a simple landing page. And for that, we are going to use System.io. It's free to sign up for an account, so do that and log in. Once you're in, create a funnel. Give it any name and choose Custom. Click Add Step and again, give it any name of your choice. Now select any of the templates that interest you and edit. So I'm going to go with this one. So let me do some magic and I will be right back. So I came up with this nice looking landing page. All you have to do here is insert your affiliate link in the button and save changes. So instead of pasting your affiliate link in Quora, it's always advisable to create a simple landing page like I have done here and put your affiliate link instead. If you want me to walk you through a step-by-step video on how to build a landing page from scratch, let me know in the comments section. Next, copy your landing page URL and paste it in your answer at Quora. I suggest you add the link multiple times in the answer, not just at the end. Just make sure to find the right spot to mention your product so you don't look like spam. Finally, click on Post. Now what is going to happen next is that when people read your answer and click on the affiliate link to buy the product, you'll receive a commission. And the best part is that you only have to do this once and your answer will stay forever on Quora, which means you will make passive income without any additional work. But wait a minute, we are not done yet. Let me now show you a simple trick you could use to getting unlimited number of views to your answers every single month. And for that, we are going to need a SEMrush account. It's easy to create an account. Just get their free trial and login. What we are going to do here is to find questions on Quora that are ranked on Google. Then we will answer those questions and apply the simple trick I'm about to show you and get your answer ranked on top of all the answers related to that particular question. And do you know what that means? More views to your answer and more money. So to get those questions, click on Organic Research. Search for Quora.com. At the Positions tab, sort the volume by 1,000 to 10,000. Next, search for the keyword related to your niche. In my case, it's going to be weight loss. Again, sort the position by top 10. By applying these filters, all these you see here are ranked among the top 10 on Google when people search for these keywords. Now I want to answer this question which says, does diarrhea cause weight loss? This keyword receives 2.4K searches per month, and it's ranked number 5 on Google. So to answer any of the question, just follow the link and answer it in your Quora space. Here's the trick. The top answer has gotten 4.4K views with 2 upvotes. The second answer has gotten 8.9K views with 3 upvotes. To get our answer ranked on top, we need to provide a very detailed answer with many upvotes. In Quora, the more upvotes your answer gets, the higher it ranks. And with the help of ChatGPT, providing a long detailed answer to the question is simple. And for the upvote, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to get them. I will then request the question and answer the question in my space. That way, I can insert my affiliate link in my answers. So I will copy the question and head over to ChatGPT. Give it this command and watch the chat bot do all the hard work for me. When it's done, I will copy the generated text from ChatGPT and paste them in Quora. To make it easier to read and look better, let's bold the main words. Lastly, find a good spot and add your link multiple times in the answer and post. This looks better. So once people read my answer, majority of them will click on my link, which will then take them to my landing page. They will then click to watch the video. And after watching the video, they're going to purchase the product. And for every sale, I will make $139 in commission. The last thing we are going to cover in this video is getting upvotes to get our answer rank on top of all the answers. And for that, head over to justanotherpanel.com, register for a free account and log in. On the dashboard, click on Other. Select Quora from the services list and choose Quora Upvotes. 100 upvotes cost just 6 cents. At the link field, copy and paste the link to the Quora question you've answered. When you're done, click Submit and watch the magic happen. But you need to add funds first. and they accept many payment methods including crypto. Depositing just $5 will be enough for this. The key to success in this method is to answer as many questions as possible daily. Practice this for 1 month consistently, and come thank me later. Here's a quick recap of everything you need to do. Step number 1, create your free account on Quora.com and choose a niche to start with. Step number 2, search for questions related to your topic, either by using the SEMrush method I showed you and purchasing upvotes to get your answer ranked on top. Step number 3, generate the answers using ChatGPT. Step number 4, sign up for ClickBank and choose a product related to your answer. Step number 5, create a simple landing page with System.io and include the affiliate link in your landing page. Step number 6, include the link to your landing page in your answer twice or 3 times maximum. Step number 7, post the answer and repeat the process at least 20 times daily. That was it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Also, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as this motivates me to produce more videos.